I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi S4 supercharger louder. We will explore key modifications that amplify that distinctive whine. First, we will cover how increasing airflow and boost pressure directly impacts the sound. Then, we will delve into specific hardware upgrades like pulley systems and intake modifications. Finally, we will discuss advanced techniques and essential tuning considerations to achieve your desired supercharger sound and performance. Upgrading your supercharger pulley is one of the most effective ways to increase its sound. A smaller pulley spins the supercharger rotors faster, generating more boost and a much louder whine. For example, a typical smaller pulley might be 57 millimeters compared to the stock 63 millimeters. This change also delivers substantial horsepower and torque increases, often around 30 to 50 horsepower, making it a popular performance upgrade. Another excellent way to enhance your supercharger's sound is by installing a high-flow cold air intake system. The stock airbox is designed for quiet operation, but an aftermarket intake removes these restrictions. This allows more of the supercharger's induction noise to escape, making the whine much more prominent. Many systems feature larger diameter piping and open-element filters, which can increase airflow by up to 20%, contributing to both sound and power. For those seeking the ultimate supercharger sound, consider porting the supercharger itself. This involves modifying the internal passages to optimize airflow, which can further amplify the whine. Additionally, upgrading your heat exchangers helps maintain cooler intake air temperatures, which is crucial for consistent performance with increased boost. Remember, any significant hardware changes, especially pulley upgrades or porting, absolutely require a custom engine tune to ensure optimal performance and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.